Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create videos from AI completely for free. I have this one AI tool that I want to share with you how you can use it to create text to image and maybe image to video completely free of charge. It only comes with a watermark, which I'm going to show you at the end of the day how you can be able to remove the watermark at the end of it all. So please stay till the end so that you can be able to learn as well how to remove the watermark. So this AI tool, I'm going to put the link in the description. It's called Hunyuan AI. It is a Chinese tool. The whole thing is in Chinese. When you press it in for the first time, you're going to notice that everything is going to be in Chinese when you click on the link. So you equally have to translate at any given point. So when you hit it translate, everything is going to be translated to English. And of course, if you can come over here and select English, even the title is going to be translated to English. So there are different kind of models that you can use. This is model exploration. This newly launched Hunyuan image, which is used to create images. This one is video. This one also is images. You can do image to 3D, text to 3D world model, and down here you have multi-view models and so on. Use cases, you can see some other ones down here. So the best part of this is that you can just select anyone. For our own case, let's say we are trying to go with the video creation. So let's start with image creation through an image 3.0. So let's click on it. Of course, it is going to pop up with this. Alternatively, you can also come to the login feature over here. So you can come to mailbox. Now in here, it doesn't require you to have any serious email address. All you need is just to have an email that you can request for a verification code that it can send, and then you can paste in the code in here and you're done. You don't have to log in directly. So let's say I have one of my emails that I want to use. I'm going to request for the code and I am going to agree to this. All right, and I've just received the code and I'm just going to enter it and click on login. So as you can see, I have login successful. So you can follow the same process. It is very easy. So let's say we're going with the first Hunyuan image creator. So we can select, we can go with the same model. Now in here, you can give your model description, but the best thing that you should do is to make sure that you give a very good description of the image, which you can define the aspect ratio in here much later. I always like to have my images in 16:9 aspect ratio, and then the quantity you can define how many images you want. For example, I may keep it at 2, and then let's give the prompt in here. Okay, create the image of a cat walking fully dressed in a busy street wearing a headset and a pickup, for example. So let's see what this is going to. I'm not sure the spelling, but let's go with something like this. So we specify the aspect ratio, the quantity, and we can just go ahead and say generate now. And let's see what this is going to actually give us. All right, and as you can see from here, it has generated the images. Let's take a look at the quality. You can see very well generated. You can see the headset and the pickup it is wearing, and it's walking on a very busy street and at sunset, something like that. Only that it comes into this watermark, which I'm going to show you how to remove later on. So let's take a look at the second one, which is very also equally very well generated. You can see it is really walking fully dressed and on a very busy street wearing the headset and the pickup as we have instructed. So to download this is very easy. You can just hover over it and just see the download button over here. So you can just click, and with just that simple click, you can see the image had been downloaded in JPEG. We can do the same for the other one as well. All right, so you can see it has just downloaded both of them. So let's go to the next option, which is using the other model to generate videos from images and possibly from text. So let's try to copy this text, but instead of an image, so let's use Hyundai video 1.512p to create our video. Now in here, there's a caveat to this. I always want you to use this prompt enhancer, which is going to help you to enhance the kind of prompts that you paste in. So let's say create the video this time around. Let's say video of a cat walking fully dressed in a busy street wearing a headset and a pickup, and then possibly you can use the other one as a reference image if you want, but if you want, you can as well leave it with this basic prompt and it's still going to work and solve our problem. So let's say we bring in that image of the cat to serve as a clear reference so it knows exactly what we are talking about. Enabling the prompt enhancer will also help you to enhance the prompt to make it better. And then up here, you have to select the resolution. In here, it can give you up to 1080p, but you can select as lower resolution if you're interested. But I want to keep it at default at 720p to generate our video. So we have this image already imported. So we can go ahead and say generate now, and let's see what this is wonderfully going to create generate for us. So let's just give it some seconds to see what it is going to generate, and then we're going to get back and see what it has generated for us. And in just a matter of seconds, you can see the video has just been created. So you can hover over it and download it also from here, or you can view it full screen and just click to play it. You can see wonderfully and intelligently the cat is walking in this busy street. I kind of like this actually. This is really next level, only that it comes in with this watermark, which I have told you that I'm going to show you how you can remove it at the end of it all. So this is wonderful, and you can do this unlimited with any number of generations that you have. You can easily use this and you can create as much number of videos as you're interested in. So let's go ahead and download this, and as you can see, it's been downloaded. So let's use the next tool. The tool that we're going to use to remove the watermark is called Easy Remove. Maybe I'll put this link in the description, or alternatively you can go to easyremove.ai/video-watermark-remove. You're just going to need this, and you don't even need to log in. You just have to obey this resolution, and then you can drag and drop your video. It could do for video as well as for image as well. So let's upload our video, and then let's see whether this is actually going to remove the watermark for us. So let's just give it some seconds to finish the upload. This is the watermark. You can easily highlight it, where it will automatically pick it, and then you can come to remove watermark for free and just give it some seconds, and this is going to do the wonders for you in terms of removing the watermark. And as you can see down here, it has been generated. So let's just click to have a preview, and you can see it clearly without the watermark. This is very well generated without the watermark, and you can download it very easily by just coming down here, and you can download. And if you want to re-edit, you can re-edit this or delete it if you're interested. So this is very interesting, and this is next level in terms of the video creation. So you can see very clearly without the watermark, and you can do the same as well for the image. All you need is just to make sure you have selected the image watermark remover, and you can just go ahead and upload the image, and then you can be able to see the results without the watermark. You can see the before and the after. Is before and the after without the watermark, and you can easily download this if you're interested. You can download directly. You can see it very nicely prepared without the watermark. Okay, you can see it clearly without the watermark. So basically you can go ahead, explore, and see how you can use this AI tool to your own advantage in terms of the creating videos unlimited, using prompts, or using an image as a guide. So this concludes this simple tutorial on the use of the Tencent HY AI tool to generate simple videos completely free of charge and unlimited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.